friends, Dentmark again launched a new endomotor. The model is E-Lite Pro. This is a very special endomotor. So I'll show you and explain you the usage of this. So this endomotor comes with 1:1 head. The speed controls from inside and the gear ratio also controls from inside. The gear ratio from inside is 16:1. So I'll explain you the modes. It has 10 modes. The M0 mode is fixed for reciproc mode. You can adjust the angle to any degree, forward angle, reverse angle, and this is the reciproc mode. And there is M1 to M9 9 mode, and 10th is already fixed for like Pro Tipper, Next or Gold. Like these files you can set. So now you can see the speed. It is working in forward mode, right? Forward means auto reverse. It reverse and again when obstruction comes, and then again it starts in the forward mode. Auto reverse and forward mode. So this is, you can see, reciproc mode. So it has also the 320 degree rotation, you can see. So no need of worry from the breakage inside. So it has a very special function also. You can attach the Apexlocator also with this motor. I'll show you the external Apexlocator. Like this is the E-Connect combo E-Lite Pro model with the Apexlocator. They can work together. I'll show you the Apexlocator which comes with this.
Start.
So this is the Apexlocator. The model is Apex S. This can be attached with the endomotor. You can buy separately also the Apexlocator or the endomotor or the Connect combo. You can see when I attach the endomotor with the Apexlocator, the signal comes here.